Let's have a serious discussion about your business. I've just realized, and I'm shocked, honestly, that 20% of the businesses that we see in Google Business Profiles still don't have a website. It's 2024, and your business still doesn't have a website? I can't figure it out. You're not going to get found. People aren't going to be able to reach out to you, investigate your business, find out about you. Your Google Business Profile is great. It's bringing in some business. But without that website link, do you know how many people go to Google Business Profiles, scroll up and down, and then click on a website to check out and learn more about you? That's part of the discovery process. People have, experts say, somewhere between 7 and 11 touch points with a business before they do business with you, meaning they might see your listing on your Google Business Profile. They might see your listing in the Google search engine. They're not going to if you don't have a website. They'll never see anywhere but in the Google Business Profile if you don't have a website. They won't see your ad. People have 7 to 11 touch points. They're going to come visit you. They might email. They might call you. You can't win with just a Google Business Profile. And if you own a business that doesn't have a website, search the type of business you have and look at how many of your competitors have a website. They're just flat out beating you. And unless you hate money and don't like having leads and don't like having work, you need a website. I'm Mark Kelly with Inbound Revenue. I'm going to talk to you a little bit about business websites. They don't have to be crazy expensive. And even more important, they can make you money. They can drive traffic. I'm going to talk about that because we offer websites totally different than all the websites, expensive websites these designers push. You can come to Inbound Revenue, check out our $197 website and free CRM page. I'm not going to talk too much about that, but it's $197 a month. We can create a kick-ass website for you. I'm going to walk through what makes our website a little different than the average website, because most websites come from a web designer's point of view. They want to make you something pretty. Now, ours are pretty. Don't get me wrong. It's going to be beautiful. You're going to love it. It'll be way better than your nephew made back in 2009 or whenever your website was made. Even if you have a website and it sucks and it's not designed to drive leads, check this out. This is an example of an Inbound Revenue website. And the crazy thing about this is we can have these live in 4 to 6 business days. This is a marketing-driven website. Let me show you all the things you're going to have here. First of all, people are going to be able to come to your homepage and know immediately who you are, what you do, who you serve. They're going to have a way to reach out to you. I can't tell you how many designers forget to put things like a form. They forget to put things like a phone number. We're going to give you a toll-free number. You're automatically going to look bigger than what you are because you're going to have a toll-free number. That'll go right to your cell phone or to your office phone, wherever your calls go now. And that's going to be free. Part of the package. We're going to deliver you a strong homepage with lots of call to actions, lots of testimonials, frequently asked questions, a little map, great footer with all your hours, your services, and we're going to have all the inside pages that you need where people talk about you, about your team, how long you've been in business, that sort of thing, what your services are in detail, a gallery of the work that you've done, which is great. People want to know that you're competent and capable. Again, calls to action. Again, your hours. Again, the contact us page is going to have everything you need. Your phone number is always visible. This phone number, when it gets called, is going to go right into your own CRM. Most of you don't have any way to track this stuff. You're putting it in a spreadsheet, or it's in your email, or it's on your phone, or it's written down on a piece of paper. With the Inbound Revenue Rocket CRM, you're automatically going to have a dashboard with all your contacts. You're going to be able to track the conversations that you've had. You're going to be able to track your opportunities. You're going to be able to move those opportunities throughout different stages of the pipeline. And that's going to change your dashboard and your close rate. This is like taking you up to a serious next level as a business. And you need this. You're ready to take that jump. We're going to put reporting in here on the number of calls that you've had, the number of calls that you've had. And if you start to do marketing with us, and we do offer a full range of very lead-driven, bottom-of-the-funnel type of marketing. It's Facebook ads, we're talking Google ads, we're talking local SEO, email marketing, all the things you need to drive business, but it's going to drive it to a website that converts, and then it's going to pop it into a CRM where you can track everything. And it's super simple. And our team will help you understand it and help you make use of it. All the reporting right in here, everything that you need. So all this is $197. All you got to do is go to inboundrevenue.com. You can see sample websites here. You can see the inside of your CRM. Place an order. Fill out the intake form. 2 to 4 business days. We're going to have this thing live. We're going to pay for your domain. We're going to pay for your hosting. It's $197 a month. If you drop a comment below and say, I want a website, I'll make it $1 for the first month. $1. And you can cancel anytime. There's no contract. So you can't make it any easier than this. I want you to have a website. I want your business to be successful. Again, I'm Mark Kelly with Inbound Revenue. I want you to be successful with business. I know that marketing is a mystery to most businesses. You got in business because you're good at what you do, not because you know a lot about marketing. We bring professional quality marketing We're going to help drive leads. We're going to be the team that you need to take your business to the next level. But for goodness sakes, get yourself a website. If you drop a comment below and say, I want a $1 website, I'll send you a link for that. Okay, folks, take care. And remember, always be marketing.